Well, it's going to be a fantastic trip with meteorologist Melissa Frey.
Yeah, take a look at this picture. A winner this morning from Joni sent this in for a great where in the world opportunity. Do you know where in the world this beautiful coastline is? And those double rainbows. Take a look at that. Joni says she was sitting in her living room just looking out the window. You know, we all have windows that have views like this, right? She looks outside and she sees a couple rainbows out there. There's the vibrant one and a second one in the background. Such a beautiful shot, Joni. Thanks for sending it in. And if you think you might know where in the world this coastline is, just head over to my Facebook page. You can submit your guess there. Also, while you're there, send your weather pictures my direction. I love to see how you're enjoying this Oregon weather. 68 was the high temperature here in Eugene yesterday. Happened to be one of the warmest spots in the entire state. Was the warmest here west of the Cascades. Just 65 in Corvallis, 66 up in Portland. Also seeing those mid-60s for the southern part of the state, and then low to mid-60s as you head out to the coast. Chilly yesterday in Bend, only got up to 59 there. Also seeing that cool air sliding all the way over well into eastern Oregon. Folks over in Ontario and Rome, they dropped from the 80s to the 60s in just 24 hours. The one warmer spot was the Dalles. They got up to 72 yesterday. We're seeing a few clouds here still remaining across the Pacific Northwest. That larger area of low pressure has now moved over northern Idaho. We do have a second one just north of Portland, just a little guy there, bringing in a few isolated showers this morning. What's out there, though, is going to wind down pretty quickly, especially as we head into the second half of the day. By sunset last night, here's what we picked up: about 500ths in Corvallis, just 1/100th in Eugene, 200ths in Roseburg, much more as you head out to the coast, over half of an inch in Newport. And the interesting thing yesterday was if you were downtown or over in Springfield or on the eastern side of Eugene, you may have noticed some very heavy rain yesterday. Some big downpours moved through, but they all moved in just south of the airport. The airport, you know, is up actually closer to Junction City, and they actually escaped those heavier showers. So if you look at the rainfall totals for downtown Eugene, well over 1/10 of an inch yesterday. Head south to the southern Oregon Cascades, and it was the white flakes that were falling. Check this out. This is the picture this morning from Crater Lake. Most of it's melted off, but you can see a nice dusting on the trees there on the side of the hills as well, making for a beautiful start to summer for folks down at the Crater Lake Lodge. Now back home in the southern Willamette Valley, low 50s for us this morning. Visibility at the full 10 miles. Great start to the day. High pressures headed our direction. That's going to get rid of these clouds and opportunity for showers. It'll bring back dry conditions, warmer temperatures as well. You can see all that here on PRECISIONCAST. Again, a few showers early this morning. Those wind down this afternoon. The clouds begin to break up. Mostly sunny, dry for Friday, Saturday as well. But then early next week, we actually have a series of storms headed our direction. 3. They'll bring back some rain for early next week, ironically, during that first week of summer. So for the coast, highs will be in the upper 50s and low 60s. You'll see some nice sun breaks there this afternoon. More sunshine though Friday and Saturday, back up to 65 as we kick off the weekend. And then Sunday, again, some rain returning, and we'll see those showers all the way through Wednesday of next week. The Umpqua Basin, low 70s for you. Also becoming nice and sunny this afternoon. 77 on Friday, up into the low 80s for Saturday before that rain returns on Sunday. The Cascades, still a little bit chilly. Highs only in the low to mid 50s today. Could see another dusting of snow when you get up above 6,000 feet as we did yesterday. Central Oregon, low to mid 60s for you, and the valley will get back to the upper 60s today, becoming sunny this afternoon. We'll see more sunshine Friday and Saturday with those highs in the mid 70s for the first full day of summer tomorrow. Nearly 80 Saturday, but again, that rain, it does return on Sunday. It actually looks like some pretty heavy rain as we kick off this next work week. Happens to be the first week of summer. It just works out that way, but we can use the rain.